Hello friends, in the last lecture we have discussed P.M.F of Binomial Distribution. Today we will see some more examples of binomial distribution. As we have discussed, P.M.F of binomial distribution is NCX p raised to x q raised to n minus x if x is 0 1 to up to n and otherwise 0. Mean of binomial distribution is NP, variance is NPQ, mean is always greater than variance, P plus Q is equal to 1. These are some properties of binomial distribution. Find probability of getting even number on the uppermost face is equal to at least once, exactly 2 times, and 2 or less number of times. Solution. Here value of n is 6. We have to find probability of at least one even number occur on the uppermost face. First case, probability of at least one even number occur on the uppermost face. At least one, this is equal to probability of x greater than or equal to 1. At least 1 means x is greater than or equal to 1. We can write this is equal to probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3 plus probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 5 plus probability of x equal to 6. We have to go up to 6 because our value of n is 6. But we know that if we use this method, then we have to calculate value of p of x equal to 1 up to p of x equal to 6. This is very lengthy method. For this we use complement of this probability of x equal to 1. Its complement is 1 minus probability of x strictly less than 1. This is equal to 1 minus p of x equal to 0. For a die, our sample space S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is our sample space S. Then for even number, my probability P is n of B upon n of S. N of B contains only 3 elements, therefore my n of B is 3. S contains 6 elements, therefore n of S is 6. 3 upon 6 means 1 upon 2. Therefore my P is 1 upon 2 and P plus Q is 1. Therefore Q is again 1 upon 2. Hence for this problem my P is half and Q is half. We use these values here. 1 minus NCX P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. This is our formula. This is equal to 1 minus, here value of n is 6, C value of x. For this problem our value of x is 0. P, as we have calculated, P is half, raised to 0, Q is again half, raised to n minus 6, n is 6 minus 0. This is equal to 1 minus 6 is 0 is 6 factorial upon 6 minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial into half raised to 0 is 1 into half raised to 6. This is equal to 1 minus 6 factorial upon 6 factorial is 1 into half raised to 6, and this is equal to 1 minus 0.015625, and this is equal to 0.984375. Therefore probability of at least one even number is 0.984375. Then for second case, probability of exactly two even number occur on the uppermost face is equal to probability of x equal to 2. NCX P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. N is 6, x is 2, p is half raised to 2, q is half raised to 6 minus 2. This is equal to 6 factorial upon 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into half raised to 2 into half raised to 4 means half raised to 6. This is equal to 6 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial into half raised to 6. 6 factorial we can write it as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 into 1 means 2 into half raised to 6. This 4 factorial is cancelled with this 4 factorial and 2 3s are 6. This is equal to 3 into 5 into half raised to 6. If we calculate this, we get 15 into 0.015625 and this is equal to 0.234375. 3. Probability of 2 or less than 2 times even number occur on uppermost face. This is equal to probability of x is less than or equal to 2. This is equal to probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2. This is equal to, already we have calculated probability of x equal to 0. See here, probability of x equal to 0 is 0.015625. we use this value here, 0.015625 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus we have already calculated probability of x equal to 2 which is 0.234375 plus 0.234375 and this is equal to, if we add this value and this value we get 0.25 plus probability of x equal to 1. This is equal to 0.25 plus here NC x is 1 into p raised to x, p is half raised to 1 into q is again half raised to 6 minus 1 is 5. This is equal to, here n is 6, 0.25 plus 6 factorial upon 6 minus 1 means 5 factorial into 1 factorial into half raised to 6. This is equal to 0.25 plus 6 into 0.015625 and this is equal to 0.25 plus 0.09375 and this is equal to 0.34375. This is our final answer.